Poco F8 Ultra versus Realme GT8 Pro. Starting with displays, Poco F8 Ultra boasts a larger 6.9-inch AMOLED panel with a peak brightness of 3500 nits, making it a beast in daylight visibility and HDR content. Meanwhile, Realme GT8 Pro offers a slightly smaller 6.79-inch LTPO AMOLED with a higher resolution and refresh rate of 144 Hz, plus a mind-blowing 7000 nits peak brightness for extreme scenarios. The Poco's display is reinforced with Xiaomi Shield Glass 2.0 and features always-on display, while Realme adds AI gesture control and palm unlock. The standout here is Poco's sheer size and brightness, perfect for immersive viewing and outdoor use. Both the Poco F8 Ultra and Realme GT8 Pro run on the same powerhouse chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, with identical octa-core CPUs and Adreno 840 GPUs. This means raw processing power and gaming performance are neck and neck, delivering flagship-level speed and efficiency. The real difference will come from software optimizations and user experience rather than hardware specs. When it comes to special features, Poco F8 Ultra shines with 50-watt wireless charging, Bose-tuned stereo speakers, and the new HyperOS 3 on Android 16 for a smooth interface. Realme GT8 Pro counters with a 120-watt SuperVOOC wired charge, 50-watt wireless charging, and an AI-powered photography suite, plus advanced cooling and gaming tools like AI Gaming SuperFrame and Coach. Realme's 120-watt wired charging and AI gaming enhancements make it a standout for power users and gamers. In camera terms, Poco F8 Ultra offers a versatile triple setup highlighted by a 50MP wide lens with OIS and a 5x periscope telephoto for detailed zoom shots. Realme GT8 Pro pushes boundaries with a massive 200MP main sensor paired with a 3x optical zoom periscope, delivering incredible detail and versatility. The Realme sensor size and resolution edge out Poco's for those craving ultra-high resolution photos. Poco's main camera features dual-pixel PDAF, OIS, and a versatile periscope telephoto lens for sharp zoom shots and excellent night mode. Realme GT8 Pro boasts Ricoh's dual focal length lens, multi-directional PDAF, and a unique switchable camera bump, making it highly adaptable and precise. Realme's advanced camera tech and optical zoom versatility gives it the upper hand here. Battery capacity is a close race, with Poco F8 Ultra packing a robust 6500 mAh, while Realme GT8 Pro pushes it further to 7000 mAh with silicon-carbon lithium technology. Realme's larger battery combined with faster charging could mean longer endurance and quicker top-ups for heavy users. Both phones feature glass fronts and aluminum frames, but Realme GT8 Pro offers a choice between fiber-reinforced plastic or eco-leather, giving it a unique premium feel and better grip options compared to Poco's traditional glass back. This adds a tactile and aesthetic edge to Realme's design. In durability, Poco F8 Ultra holds an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Realme GT8 Pro steps it up with IP68, IP69 certification, meaning it can withstand high-pressure water jets and immersion up to 2 meters, offering superior protection for adventurous users. Memory configurations are similar, with both offering up to 1 TB storage and 16 GB RAM variants. However, Poco provides larger base storage options starting at 256 GB and going up to 1 TB with 12 or 16 GB RAM. While Realme's top RAM and storage combos also cater to power users but with a slightly different tiering. Both are well-equipped for multitasking and heavy storage needs. Price-wise, Poco F8 Ultra starts slightly lower at around $800 plus, whereas Realme GT8 Pro comes in at about $850. This small difference might sway buyers depending on which features they prioritize, raw display size and brightness or camera innovation and charging speed.